हे गाइस, वेलकम इन टेक्निकल बाबा जी। आइए हम इस वीडियो में देखते हैं वर्चुअल डीजे एडवांस 2021 परमानेंटली कैसे यूज करें साइमल्टेनियसली, व्हाट आर द फीचर इनसाइड देयर एंड हाउ कैन बी utilize of these all feature to make a effective song on any, either it's a mp3 or video song. So see guys, here just I am going to extract. So here I will enter the password. So see guys, here finally I have extracted. Now see A and B. One is a installation, second is a cap. So both we have to keep in one folder. Now let me write here. Now see guys, here I'm going to install it. So I will click 2 times here. Here directly I can go for. I will accept all the terms and condition. It is advanced, so see here I'm not going to do anything, just I will click on install. So guys, it will take a time. Why it's so? Because total size of this one is a more than 700 MB. I would like to show you here. Now see. So you will have to wait here, but all the feature have been included in an advanced 2021. So let's see what are the inside there and how can I use it permanently for it. While you're installing guys this one, प्लीज़ आप इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ऑफलाइन रखें। फिर उसके बाद गाइस हम क्लोज करेंगे यहाँ से and if we see here inside what is inside here, then of course directly we can open it. So see here, too much essential things has been given here. I will show you how you will utilize it in your daily while you mixing, while you remix, while you're making effective virtual DJ to make a good quality and listenable sound. So see guys here, अब हम यहाँ से क्लोज कर देंगे। फिर इसके बाद गाइस हम इसे ओपन करेंगे। See, this PC is working very slow, so that's why I'm taking your time, guys. Don't worry, it's going to open. But see, guys, Virtual DJ, it will support only one in a Windows 10. Why it's so? Because it's a advanced 2021. Now it's open, guys. First of all, click here and I will go for Pro. Now I will click here. Once again I will click here. Now see, guys, in advance we have a vocal. Second is we have a intro, bass, kick, hi-hat, steam facts. So there are so many features, guys. How it's so? Because see, what are the features here? In a roughly, if I tell you here, guys, then just let me go for setting to, let me go in a interface. In a special interface, see, according to your own visualization, of course you can select this ones. Now see, here is also, now it's for live, this is for broadcast, this is for Baxi Pro BS, and this is broadcaster VFX. What you want, guys, you have to comment and you have to select according to your own visualizations. Now see, in my opinion, I have already elected here this what we have to elect. No, this one, no, this one, no, this one, no. This is my favorite one, guys. Old one, I like this. So just I will go for, you can have this one also, guys, no problem at all, but I will go for old one. So now see, guys, here I have selected this one. If I would like to change this, of course we can have by clicking this one, this one. I would like to have now block. This one is a quietly also good, guys. So see, guys, I have a selected here Virtual DJ advanced mode, and I would like to show you here by giving one song how it's highly effective. Let me have one song. Just I will do okay. Let me go in a setting to, just I will go in a option, guys, option 2, logo. Just I have to remove this one, no logo. Now let's see, guys, here song how it's. Let me have gaining point a little much, adding point, this is a little much. I like to have this a little bit. Yeah, it is fine now. I'll select the song from here. So just I will go for hot cue and I will click here. Now I will go for stems. Now let's see quality of this song, guys. A little more I have to make a effective. Just I will go and this is especially not there as feature. So in the situation what can I do, guys? Just I will go for in setting to just I will go for interface to I will select old one. Yes, I like it. Now see, guys, we have here effects. Just I will go for a little bit delay, a little. Just I will have this delay options. I'll make a little bit high on. Once again I will have reverb sound. Reverse fines I will have from here. Yeah, from here to now I will have now I will select once again hot cue, guys. Here it's the second one. Fine, I have already selected, so I will start from here. Now see, guys. Now see. So see, guys, here reverb a little we have to dwindle it, and this one I have to increase a little bit. This one hit bit just I need, and a little bit, and this one also. Now I will go for here once again in stems. Now I would like to show you what is the effect inside there. Now see, guys, here. Let's play. So see, guys, here vocal sound. Now I would like to without vocal sound. Now see. Now see, guys. Now see, sound has gone. Now see, guys. Now see. Let's start. Let's inside. So guys, see here, one thing more I would like to show you. License it's already now. So permanently you can use it, and it's my humble request that don't go for update, otherwise it will trust the easily. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. And please, if it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please subscribe our Technical Babaji, so that might be beneficial for someone also if you share of this content, guys. And please like and subscribe, because this all thing will inspire me to make more and more video such as a beneficial video, guys. So thank you.